What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know about this real quick, but I think here we got a reversal on the 1 minute and the head and shoulders pattern right here. I'm gonna go ahead and draw you this right here. There's the shoulder, here's the head, it's coming down, here's gonna be the other shoulder. It's gonna come back up and test this to close the body, and then come back down for the retest, and then taking off, and then possibly tomorrow we could see it come back down, but today, boom, going up, baby. Holding algo to like 2 something. That's my goal. So I'm gonna upload this so y'all know what they got going. See, Ethereum's doing the same thing, you know. So then I have another retest right here though. So yeah, I'm canceling this wick out just because it's a long wick. So I'm taking that off and not counting that as part of the shoulder. That's the shoulder. But yeah, that's what I got for y'all. Watch this video real quick and go ahead and do what y'all gotta do. Get in before it's too late. Might not come back down tomorrow.